everybody, it's Melissa. I know I haven't been on camera. I've been doing my voice. Sometimes it's just easier because then I don't have to get camera or I'm in my pajamas, my kids are around, and it's easier to do it this way. So I wanted to talk about some tips for social media, specifically Instagram. That's my home. So in terms of social media, in terms of where I grow most, where I've focused all of my attention. And YouTube is still extremely new to me. And I don't do videos like this. I do pictures. I do little edited pictures and videos and stuff, but nothing this length of time. So on Instagram, I'll put my link below and explain sort of the growth and kind of a quick schedule of how I do what I do as a busy mom, as somebody who homeschools her kids, and has grown. I'm just going to take a peek here what my follower count is. I have two accounts. My main account is my food, travel, family experience account. It is, I don't know if you can see, there's my following right there, 166K. So I will leave the link below. So I do a specific niche of local Midwest food, family experiences, and kind of the hotels and or places you can stay that are kind of unique or specific to the area that we're in. So I've been building, and I've done a lot of working with making connections with other moms who have a similar vibe. You can meet up with sort of bloggers and stuff. But one of the tips I found to be very helpful time-wise is called, a term you can use is called batching your content, so that you can get a whole bunch of content done, and then you've got a month, 2 months worth of things to post. So I go to a lot of food places, so I try to do that and stock up on a bunch of different things, and then I save them in a file and pull from there for the month of food. And then when it comes to family experiences, we do a lot more of that. So if it's fall like it is here, a lot of apple orchards, a lot of pumpkin patches, a lot of trail walking, a lot of there's just different events in this area for that. So we try to do as many, and then I take a lot of content pictures and video, and then I use that throughout the month. So it just more kind of gets it all done in our outing, and then I put it in my folder to prepare it for the rest of the month. And then it's not like I'm doing it every single day, or I can focus on other things for that day, or do a quick pop on like this and talk about it a little bit, help people. And then I also have my business. It's specifically for financial success working from home. It's called Future Mom Empire One, Instagram as well. And this one is my smaller account. It's 40,000. But again, I've had this for maybe 3 months, I think. So this one is specific to helping moms work from home, earn income from home, or learn some of the things that might make them feel successful working from home, whether it's on social media, whether it is as passive income streams of different kinds of marketing techniques, affiliate marketing techniques, things like that. So those are my two accounts. So that is and for that particular account, I have to do a little bit different. It's not the same topic, it's not the same theme. So I am more TikTok combined with that Instagram account, so that those two can come together, and I can make one quick video, type a couple things, and they both will sync up together. And that I have a little bit more focus on, where I do maybe 3 videos a day in different parts of the day. So that is where I put my focus on this. When it comes to YouTube, I can maybe do 2 times a week, whether it is helping with doing some more affiliate marketing about a product that might help people with their business, or showing them a product or a software that could be beneficial to them, their business, their client's business, a pain point they might be having for something that isn't quite clicking and they're generating traffic, which is a huge, huge thing for most companies and for most individuals. They would like eyes on their stuff consistently, and many eyes on their things to grow their income. So with YouTube, I am as best as I can, as I'm learning the particular platform, being as transparent as I can, as helpful in that market, because again, I am a stay-at-home mom, earning money from home, working on that every single day. My husband works from home, so I have to fit it in different spots, and the weekends. For example, that's kind of my time, is my weekends, where I can take 1 to 2 hours and make this video, which I tend to keep all my videos at 10 minutes, a touch over 10 minutes. If they go longer, I might have had more time, but 10 minutes is the most. And I don't do these editings, not yet anyway. I'm not techie enough to do too much of that. I can do a couple things that might be a little, design look nicer, but I don't have the tech skills just this moment to edit, patch things together, make it flashy, put on things like that. I'll learn it maybe, but again, it has to be the right timing. So for anybody out there who's trying to figure out, say, your Instagram platform, that is my wheelhouse. That is where I shine in terms of people who get there, who seem to enjoy the niche and follow me consistently. And then the business aspect is growing because it's the newest Instagram platform, which I'll put everything in the description below if you would like to follow me. If you have questions, I'm happy to answer them in messages, or you can message me on Instagram. If either of those platforms interest you in terms of how to grow them, how to find time to add content and what that might look like, or how to stand out, and some of the tips and things, I'm so happy to help. I'm so happy to share and give you guys some ideas on things like that. So, and in addition to being a stay-at-home mom, I also homeschool my 2 children, and one is 5, one is 8. And so, those are things that we kind of add into our day, where I talk about that, or how that works into everything. And we do year-round homeschooling, so it stays kind of a consistent scheduling of busyness, and it gives us an idea of who gets to do what kind of work the easiest and quickest. So those 2, again, I'll put those in the bottom in the description. I also have, I'm just gonna look here real quick on my Income Future Mom Empire 1 Instagram. My goal this year is to help, not from here to 2023, like September to September, not till the end of this year. So I'm here to help 1,000 moms begin earning money from home in some capacity. So I have a link also below that I'm going to put for specifically that, which is a free training you can grab and watch with my mentor. And he has gone from 0 to 233K a month very quickly with his process, and he's on Instagram, and so it was kind of a good fit for me to work alongside him. So I'll share my 2 Instagram pages, my then free training link that I'll just put the word free training, and you can be like, oh, that's what that is, and watch it at your leisure. I'm here. I want to help 1,000 moms start earning money from home in this year, and I hope the goal can increase till just as many moms who would like to earn a good income from home can. That is my goal. So I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend if you're in the weekend mode. And comment, say hello, questions, or pop over to my Instagram and give me some questions, and I will be happy to answer them. All right, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will talk soon. Bye-bye.